Hello, everyone. This is Ian, the National Honor Society president, and I would like to talk to you about the society today. So, to join, the GPA requirement is a 3.75, and the National Honor Society has one individual project and one chapter project each year. We collaborate with a lot of GCA departments, and there's a requirement of 25 service hours, and there are a lot of virtual options just in case you are not able to go out in person. So, the invitations go out mid-October. The dues for new members are $20 and the returning $10. There's a candidate information packet, and there are future-ready courses to assist you for anything in the future. College, career, there's classes like goal setting, public speaking, persuasive speaking, everything to help you get ready for the future. So this is our executive board for this year with myself as president, Ava G as the vice president, the treasurer is Emma, and the parliamentarian is Logan. If you are interested, please fill out the packet when it is sent out. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in our meetings.